Hello and welcome to our training video. In this video, you will learn how to utilize and customize participants in TownVOTE. When you are ready to add participants to your session, navigate to the Participants tab on the left-hand column. At the top, you will see that there is an offline keypads menu as well as an online webpads menu. For in-person and offline voting sessions, navigate to the offline keypads tab. I will start by explaining the process for offline sessions. There are two menu options that can be seen at the top. You can either enter individual participants into the list, or you may select a keypad range. In order to set the keypad range, specify the keypad ID number range in the from and to fields. For example, if you set the range to include 1 to 500, the receiver will only receive votes from clickers with ID numbers 1 to 500. In other words, the receiver will not collect votes from clickers numbered 501 and above. Selecting the Clear button at the bottom will clear the list of participants. In some instances, such as a representative town meeting, city and town councils and other boards of representatives, might require individual participants. With the individual participant option selected, you will be able to type the first and last name of the individual, as well as the keypad ID you wish to be associated with that individual. Here's where you can change the weight of a certain individual's vote in whole number or decimal form, as well as conduct a proxy vote. There is also an optional category field where you may enter information such as the participant's district. Once the information is complete, pressing Add will put the individual participant into the list below. You may also press the Enter key to add a new participant. Once you have set up your participant list, you may sort by each category, and doing so will adjust how the participants are displayed on the participant grid. When you have completed your participant list, you may export it as a comma-separated values file or .csv file by selecting the Export button at the bottom of the page. After clicking the Export button, you will be prompted with a Save As pop-up menu where you can save the file for later usage. The CSV files can either be edited in the Excel or Notepad application. You may want to import a participant list into TownVOTE to save yourself the time of creating one manually. Some meetings have a consistent group of members, so importing a participant list is a necessity which saves time for every meeting. Simply select the Import option at the bottom of the participants page and select the file you wish to import into TownVOTE. If you receive an error message, you may have the .csv file open on your computer and will have to close out of the file to successfully import the list. If you are in an online or hybrid session, navigate to the Online WebPads tab. Here, you can select the participant group from the drop-down menu. This should be the same group or groups assigned to the session in CloudVote. There should be no offline participant list in existence, so that only the unified participant list from the connected CloudVote account is used to identify the voters. Be sure to click the Refresh Participant Groups icon if the list does not show the associated participant groups from your CloudVote account. You may also select the name columns for the participant grid, manage columns, sync participants, and add new participant groups from this page. Manage columns lets the user select which fields on the participant login page are visible and/or required. It also requires the operator to select the field which corresponds to the keypad ID field, so that we can track the identity of the voter and automatically disable their keypad if they log in online, and vice versa, allow the keypad to work when they log off or close the browser. Thank you for watching this training on utilizing and customizing participants in TownVOTE. If you have any questions, please contact our support team or visit our knowledge base. Links will be provided on screen and in the video description.